box office, which is open right now. 3-1, hit on the ground, up the middle, gets past Sleeper. Dennis cuts it off, tries a little barrel, and that'll bring in a run. As Blum flipped the bat, nearly caught Kevin Furman, the home plate ump. Third base side. Payoff pitch. He's hit on the ground to Dennis. Nope, beg your pardon. It's Dolbazian who throws high. Sleeper's pitch. The slider in the dirt gets away from Scanlon. That's going to score the tie-breaking run. Masterman home on the wild pitch for a 3-2 Down East lead.
It's slow roll over to short. Dennis flicks it over to first in time, but will move Trey Law over to third. Tapia, the 0-2 pitch. Sky high into right center field. Making chase is McCoy, and that ball is gone.
Nate Roof out of the stretch, holds at the belt. Pitch coming in, fastball, line drive up the middle, base hit into right center field. That's going to score 2, and Agresti's going to make it all the way to third on the 2-run single by Christian Ficca. He's the tying run on first as the Boulders are within 7-5. For his last 12 going back. And he's sky high, pops it up into shallow right field. LeBred was basically in front of the short form.